na-discover ko siya nung graduate yung sister ko. Then inayusan ko siya. At doon nag-start yung inspiration ko na kaya ko palang maging isang stylist o hairdresser. Nalaman ng parents ko, ng family ko, hindi nila gusto. So, pinorso ko pa rin yung career ko kasi I know, this is my dream. Napunta ko sa isang salon na maliit din sa University Belt sa area ng Sampaloc area, as in Sampaloc. Then, nag-haircut ako doon ng mga 20 heads a day for only 15 pesos. So, mas dun ko na-develop and nagkaroon ako ng confidence na I can cut any kind of haircut. Binigyan ako ng break ng P&D, training sa abroad, sa Hong Kong, sa Malaysia, sa Singapore. But after nun, pinorso ko rin yung career ko na nag-aral ako sa Vidal Sassoon sa Shanghai. Nakuha rin ako as an ambassador of Schwarzkopf. So every 6 months, nagtitrain ako abroad. So mas dun ko rin lalo nagkaroon ng confidence at develop yung about yung education background ng pagiging isang hairdresser. Our salon is really high-end and AV client yung pinag-cater namin client. And most our client, 80% is a Chinese community, Green Hills area. The cutting technique here, it's really precision cutting. Simple lang talagang namin is to give them wearable, simple, and of course, yung palagan namin ginagawa sa client namin is yung hindi siya masyadong flashy. Stylish, but may twist kami na very at the same time, nandun pa rin yung pagiging conservative na you can wear anywhere you can go. This time, yung ginagawa naming trends on the 20s look of the haircut and the 20s look of the color. So more on parang monochromatic color yung drama ng color namin ngayon. Find out here only Schwarzkopf ang ginagamit namin when it comes to coloring and styling product. Well, yung Essensity, it's a really organic and natural. It's zero ammonia. Napaka soft, napaka gentle ng effect sa isang tao, lalo na kung meron kang mga allergy, meron kang mga sensitive yung scalp mo. My ambition after siguro yung retirement ko is to be a fulfilled educator. Kumbaga parang I want to share sa mga tao yung kung ano meron ako, lalo na sa skills ko. As a professional hairdresser, I made this everything because of my professionalism, my determination, and of course, God is my weapon in my life.